Hello students, in last week we completed the two diseases, AIDS and cancer. Today we are going to discuss the MCQs and PYQs on these two diseases. First MCQ, at which stage of HIV infection does one usually show symptoms of AIDS? So answer is D, when HIV damages large number of helper T lymphocytes. So when HIV virus infects to the person, at that time first it attacks the macrophages. The macrophages में वो पहले इन्फेक्शन करता है, मैक्रोफाजेस में रेप्लिकेट होता है ये वायरस. उसके बाद मैक्रोफाज को लिसिस करते वो ब्लड में रिलीज होता है. ब्लड में आके वो हेल्पर टी सेल को, हेल्पर टी लिम्फोसाइट्स को इन्फेक्ट करता है. और लार्ज नंबर ऑफ हेल्पर टी लिम्फोसाइट्स व्हेन गेट इन्फेक्टेड, एट दैट टाइम देयर नंबर गेट डिक्रीज. नंबर ऑफ टी लिम्फोसाइट्स, helper T lymphocytes get decreased in the blood of the person. So HIV damages large number of helper T lymphocytes after the infection. Second, which one of the following is not a property of cancerous cells, whereas the remaining three are shown? So all these three are the properties of cancerous cell, B, C, D, and only this property is not shown by cancerous cell, that is they show contact inhibition. So this property it is shown only by the normal cell, it is not shown by the cancerous cell. तब ये कॉन्टैक्ट इनहिबिशन क्या है? एक प्रोसेस है जिसमें नॉर्मल सेल जब डिवाइड होती है तो आफ्टर डिवीजन नॉर्मल सेल डिवाइड होना स्टॉप करती है. लेकिन कैंसरस सेल में क्या होता है? कॉन्टैक्ट इनहिबिशन फिनोमिना लॉस्ट होती है और कैंसरस सेल कंटिन्यूसली मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं और कैंसरस सेल्स के मासेस तैयार करते हैं जिससे हम कहते हैं ट्यूमर. नाउ थर्ड MCQ, चूज इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. So here answer is A, treatment of AIDS with antiretroviral drugs is only cure, and all these are the correct statements. So antiretroviral therapy is used for treatment of AIDS, but it is only partially effective. It do not completely cure the patient from the disease AIDS, and therefore treatment of AIDS with antiretroviral drug is only cure. Next question, type A immunity targets virus or parasite infected tissue cells, cancer cells or graft cells. It can also lyse cells or release chemicals that enhance inflammation. Here A refers to, so answer is cell mediated immunity. So T lymphocytes are the cells of cell mediated immunity, and these T lymphocytes they recognize the virus infected cells, they also recognize the cancer cells, graft cells, and bring about their destruction or lysis. And these T lymphocytes they also release the chemicals which is called as a cytokine, which enhance the inflammation process after infection or after entrance of any foreign antigen. Coming to next MCQ, identify the wrong statement. So here B and D are the wrong statement. First A and C are right statement given here. So cancer arising from the epithelial tissues of internal organs and glands is referred to as carcinomas. That's why melanoma is wrong. And benign tumors are not true cancer or neoplasm. They are made up of normal cells and they are temporary tumors. They do not cause invasion or cancer in human being. That's why they are not true cancer or neoplasm. Another question, AIDS is caused by HIV. Among the following, which one is not a mode of transmission of HIV? So here answer is C, shaking hands with infected person, because HIV do not spread through physical contact or by touch. So it is transmitted through transfusion of contaminated blood, sharing the infected needle, sexual contact with infected persons. Then coming to next MCQ, a person suffering from leukemia has D, increased number of damaged WBCs. ल्यूकेमिया क्या है? ब्लड कैंसर है. तो यहाँ पे ब्लड कैंसर में क्या होता है? पेशेंट की बॉडी में डैमेज WBCs का नंबर इंक्रीज होता है और RBCs का नंबर जो है लो होता है. Then another MCQ, which of the following approaches used for treatment of cancer? Radiation therapy, surgery and chemotherapy, C, immunotherapy. So answer is all of these. Coming to next MCQ, in our country the organizations which are doing a lot to educate people about AIDS. So both A and B. National AIDS Control Organization and non-governmental organizations. Coming to next MCQ, metastasis is rapid division of cancer cells, regeneration of cancer cells, spread of cancer cells to new sites, all of the above. How does HIV becomes AIDS? All of the above. Yeah, when HIV attacks the T cells, at that time it replicates within the T cells, make multiple copies and destroys the T helper cells in the body of the patient. That's why answer is D, all of the above. HIV that causes AIDS first starts destroying. So here A answer, helper T lymphocytes. Coming to next MCQ, which one is correctly matched? So here D, AIDS virus reverse transcriptase. So HIV virus, it possesses single-stranded RNA molecule. So this single-stranded RNA molecule get converted into double-stranded DNA molecule with the help of this enzyme reverse transcriptase, and this DNA molecule then get integrated into the host DNA. Then another question, World AIDS Day is celebrated every year on, it is C, 1st December. The genes causing cancer are oncogenes. So certain viruses, they cause cancers in human being, and that viruses are called as oncogenic viruses, and these oncogenic viruses, they possesses the gene which are called as a oncogenes, or oncogenes are also called as cancer causing genes which are present in the oncogenic viruses.